Alright guys, what's up? It's Shane with Moretti Outdoors. This is the drawing for the 3 winners for the Fire Ace Tinder from Front Range First Defense. Got everything locked in on the YouTube random comment picker. The rules were simple. You need to be a subscriber. You needed to leave any kind of a comment. And here we go. Let's get right to it. Let's see who's going to win that first place prize. That's the bag of tinder and that fire kit that goes along with it that was made by Front Range First Defense as well. There's 40 unique commenters. Pick another winner. Restless Outdoors. Perfect. I just ran out of fire starter. Restless Outdoors, man. Email me. ShaneMoretti@gmail.com. You won the first place prize. Alright, that's first place taken care of. Let's do another one. The FU crew, nice kit and fire starter. I like your reviews, simple and straight to the point. Keep up the great work. The FU crew channel, second place. Draw again. Sportsman 101, man. Yeah, dude. So you won the third place prize. You get just the bag of fire tinder. I'd probably like to have won that little kit with this fishing string on it. Alright guys, well there it is. Simple and straight to the point. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. I'm excited to get this stuff out to everybody. Please all email me at shanemoretti@gmail.com and I'll get this stuff out probably around, I'll give you guys till Thursday to respond. If I don't hear anything by Thursday, I'm not going to draw second winners. I don't have time to do it, so if you don't respond, then nobody gets the stuff, I guess, because I know it's kind of a dog-eat-dog world, man. I work a lot. I got a lot of stuff going on. I just don't have time to chase people down, but Restless Outdoors, first place. FU crew channel, second place. Sportsman 101, third place. Guys, email me, shanemoretti@gmail.com, and I'll get your stuff out. I'll give you till Thursday, and I believe you guys are all in the US. Don't worry, all your personal information is safe and secure with me. As soon as the drawing is completed, your information will be taken away and discarded, so no worries there. And other than that, guys, thank you. God bless. Go wild. See you on the next one, guys.